to the channel. I'm busy working on the Pops Fiero build still, but I thought I would take a little bit of a break to show you guys the latest additions to the stash. As you may or may not know, I went to Comic-Con, and believe it or not, even at Comic-Con you can find scale models. So let me show you guys what I picked up. Now let's take a look at our first bit of Comic-Con goodie. The TIE Advanced Fighter. This is a pretty cool kit from Bandai. It is a snap kit, but it's very well detailed, along with the way Bandai injection molds 2 different colors onto one part. As you can see, the panels on the black part of the panels and the gray are all one part. Don't know how they do that. It is freaking amazing. I mean, there's incredible detail on this kit. You even get to see the Darth Vader pilot. So this is going to be fun to build. And Mike at Scale Speedworks, I'm still waiting for us to start our light side, dark side build. But this is going to be a cool kit. Can't wait to get started on that at some point in the future. Then I ran into the Bandai Batmobile. As you can kind of tell, as you'll see what the following models are going to be, Bandai had a big display over there at Comic-Con. And this is the Batmobile from the new Batman movie. They took a more muscle car inspired styling, which is actually pretty cool, I think. It's got the turbine engine in the rear, but it's got exhaust in the front, so I'm assuming that this is a twin engine car. Haven't seen the movie yet. Looking forward to it. But it looks like it's going to be a very nicely detailed kit. You got pictures of all the sprues in there. Again, this is another snap kit. Or they say it's a snap kit. You don't need any glue. We'll be finding out on the channel together because I'm really looking forward to building this one. Alright, let's go on to the next kit. This one is so big I can barely fit it in the camera. This is the Gundam RX-72 version 3.0 with titanium finish. Now this is going to be a special build on the channel. If you've seen my other Gundam video, I have, I think, 2 more on the channel. I built a chrome Gundam where I painted the entire thing, made it look like chrome. Even the blue and the red and the yellow are all candy and chrome-like colors. It came out pretty decent for my first time chroming something. If you guys want, you can check out the video. Now this one comes in a gloss white finish with all of the colored portions of it are colored chrome finishes. It's an amazing Gundam. This is a 1/100th scale Gundam. This is very, very cool. It's from their titanium finish line, master grade. I think this is probably going to be my first master grade kit. But it is awesome. Very, very happy with this. And continuing the Gundam theme, we picked up also the 006 Zeta Gundam. Again, so big I had to pull back because the kit is so big it doesn't fit on the camera. Another very, very cool kit. This is not a titanium finish, but this is a massive, massive kit. I mean, this guy is huge. Another master grade. This one is a transformable Gundam. And there he is right there. In all his glory. There's the back. Fully posable. Fully detailed. And he transforms into his fighter mode. Very, very cool. This is going to be a really cool build. And here he is with some of his accessories. Look at the size of that gun. Amazing. Comes with an action base, I see there. Very cool. All sorts of features. This is going to be a fun build. These two will definitely be on the channel, since they are probably going to be the two largest Gundams that I've ever built. So they were very cool. Now that is the entire Comic-Con stash ads. And then after Comic-Con, I was in such a model buying frenzy that I went by Hobby Lobby and picked up another Gundam. It's another Bandai kit. Of course, at the Hobby Lobby 40% off sale. You can't say no to that, especially a Gundam kit, as they are kind of pricey. Suzaku. Really nice detailing on that. That's going to be fun. Going to be a big weathering exercise. It's going to be my first video where I concentrate a lot on weathering and distressing a model. That's going to be a lot of fun, and probably just practice in preparation for another anime model, which I'm going to be springing on the channel in the near future. And then I went by my hobby shop to pick up some paint. And as you know, you go by the hobby shop to pick up paint, you always come back with another kit, whether you intended to or not. And I just picked up this Aoshima Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. I've read a lot about and seen a lot about Aoshima kits. I've heard they're really, really good. And this will be my first one. So we'll find out together how good they are. Although I've seen a few of the channels have built other Aoshima kits. And they do have a Knight Rider Firebird, which I'm really interested in picking up. As I did the NPC Firebird, and that was an interesting experience. But this is very cool. So that's it, guys. Those are the latest additions to the stash. And will be upcoming builds on the channel. So we're in for a good time. So hey, you guys just join in on the fun. Alright guys, I just figured that since we're talking about Gundam, I would show you my Chrome Gundam. If you guys haven't seen this on the channel, this is a Gundam I built in the style of that titanium finish one that I just finished telling you about. Except that I've made it completely chrome. As you can see, even the weapons. This is all done with all-clad paints, and Tamiya clear paints to give it the candy coloring. And this was my first attempt at actually creating a mirror finish on a model. And I'm not perfect, but I'm very happy with the way it came out. I thought that it looked pretty cool. A little bit of dust on it. I'm gonna have to dust that off. It's been sitting for a while since I built it. But I was very pleased the way it came out. Those all-clad paints really do work well. So this is kind of what we have to look forward to with the upcoming Gundam builds. And here is the exact same kit, but done in the traditional Gundam colors, but in a style I like to call the real anime style, as I took the animated version of the character and just weathered it and painted it as if it was real, by using all the animated coloring. And this is the exact same kit as the Chrome kit. So you can see that there are many different ways to customize these Gundams. So it's going to be a fun build. I'm not going to stray too far away from my car builds for all my model car fans out there. But we will be delving more into the Gundam universe, as well as other sci-fi and anime builds on this channel in the upcoming next couple of months. So I hope you guys are fans, because I know I am. Alright guys, see you on the next one.